Is your freezer humming louder than usual? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many homeowners face this common issue. Today, we'll guide you through identifying and fixing those pesky freezer noises. First, let's explore the types of noises you might hear. A buzzing sound could mean an issue with the condenser fan or compressor. Check for obstructions and ensure everything is running smoothly. If you hear a clicking noise, it might be a faulty start relay or thermostat. Frequent clicking is a sign these components need attention. Now, if the humming is loud or persistent, it could be the evaporator fan motor or compressor. And a rattling noise? That often means loose components or fan blades hitting something. Make sure everything is tight and clear. So what can you do? Start by inspecting the evaporator fan for blockages or damage. Listen closely to the compressor. Excessive noise might mean it's failing. Clean those condenser coils to prevent noise and strain. And if you hear buzzing or clicking, check the start relay or capacitor. Still having trouble? Sardis Appliance Repair is here to help. Our expert technicians can handle any complex repairs, ensuring your freezer runs smoothly again. Remember, a quiet home is a happy home.